is 3 root pi units. The distance between the points 3 comma 13 and 6 comma 7. So that means we have to check whether the distance between this point and this point is 3 root 5 units or not. We have to check whether this distance is correct or not. We have to check. So for that, first we need to find the distance between this and this point. Okay, first let this point we will take as x1 comma y1 is equal to this 3 comma 30. So x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma 13 means, so this is x1, this is y1. Next we will take x2 comma y2 is equal to this 6 comma 7. Okay, so this is x2, this is y2. x2 comma y2 is equal to 6 comma 7 means this is x2, this is y2. Now to find distance between this and this, we have distance formula. I will take distance as d is equal to, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then we have to take square root till here. Okay, now substitute the values for this x2, x1, y2, y1. Okay, so that is equal to this square root. In place of x2, 6. This minus is fixed. In place of x1, 3. Close the bracket, this square plus, next in place of y2, 7. This minus is fixed. y1, in place of y1, 13. Now simplification, this square root, 6 minus 3, 3, this is square, this plus, okay, 7 minus 13 is what? 3, 6, minus 6. 7 minus 13 is minus 6, this square. So next step, this square root I am writing as it is. 3 square 9 plus next minus 6 whole square means, here I will write, so minus 6 whole square means minus 6 into minus 6. Minus 6 whole square means minus 6 2 times. So minus into minus 6 into minus 6. I have taken minus 6 2 times, here 1 time, here 2 times, and multiply. So this is equal to, first signs, minus into minus plus 6 6 36. Okay, plus 36 is same as just 36. Okay, plus 36 is equal to 36. If we have plus, you can just remove the sign, write only 36. It will not become wrong. Okay, so minus 6 whole square we got 36. So I am writing 36. Next I will write here d is equal to square root, I will write as it is. 9 plus 36, how much? 45. That is equal to, write the square root as it is. See, 45 can be written as 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. Okay, now that is equal to a square root, write as it is. This 5 write as it is. So 9 can be written into, first into 9 can be written as 3 square, because 3 square is equal to 9. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, done. Next, square root right as it is. Okay, now here multiplication symbol is there, so we can take square root for 5 separately, 3 square separately. So square root of 5 into square root of 3 square. Okay, now see here we have, this is square root and this is square, so this cancels out. So what is left? Root 5 into this 3 into 3. Okay, na? Because of into symbol you can interchange, no problem. That means root 5 into 3 or 3 into root 5, both are same. Why? Because here into is there. Just like a into b is equal to b into a. In place of a we have root 5, in place of b we have 3. So root 5 into 3 can be written as 3 into root 5. Okay, because of into symbol you can just remove, we can just write 3 into root 5. Okay, so if you write like this there won't be any wrong. So we got answer 3 root 5 units. Okay, the question says they're asking is 3 root 5 units is the distance between the points. So we calculated the answer 3 into root 5. So answer is yes. Answer is yes. Yes, 3 root 5 units is the distance between this point and this point. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, thank you. Click on subscribe.